Hey guys, it's Zach from Studio Z and DNP back with another quick service tip. This is a rare one, but if you've ever gotten paper stuck in the cutter, I personally have never seen this, but it can happen. If it does, you don't want to yank it. You can risk breaking the cutter or another internal mechanism. There's a simple fix to this. All you're going to do is find the power switch on the bottom right of your printer, flick it to standby, give it a second, and then put it back to its on position. That's going to cycle the power, reset that cutter blade, and then you'll be able to take the paper right out. You're going to also at this time want to do a quick check. Make sure there's no jams, crinkles. If there are, refer to our other videos. Quick cut will fix that. Empty your scraps bin. Make sure everything looks good. If for any reason that that paper doesn't come out after that power cycle, contact the DNP representative. Don't go try forcing it out. You could make a problem worse.